Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be teaching you a home remedy, how to make that your joystick big, like how to make your manhood big. I'll be teaching you a home remedy, a simple home remedy where you can just go to the kitchen, blend this, mix this together, and voila, it becomes big. So I know most of you don't have the money to go for surgery, most of you don't have the money to buy a bigger product that they are selling for higher amount, but this simple home remedy will help you achieve your goal. So stay tuned if you want to know how to use this home remedy, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share, and invite your friends and family to come watch it. Somebody might be needing this through you. So love you.